Hi everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat filter is not working on your iPhone in iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many method to solve this issue. First of all, you can update your Snapchat. So just simply open the App Store. Here, search the Snapchat and then tap on Snapchat, and if you have any pending update, just simply tap on update to update your Snapchat and try to open the filter. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is check the network connection. So just simply tap on settings, and here you can see if you're connected with Wi-Fi, just simply tap on Wi-Fi and turn the toggle off, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it on back and go back, and here you can see the airplane mode. Just simply turn it on, and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off and fix your network connection. So if the solution is not working, then we move to another is just simply go to settings. Here you can see general and tap on iPhone storage. Just simply tap on it, wait for a few seconds. Here you can see Snapchat. Just simply tap on it. Here you can see offload app. Just simply offload your app and then reinstall it to fix your problem. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is open the Snapchat. Here you can see the profile icon. Tap on this setting icon and scroll to the bottom, and here you can see logout. Just simply log out and then log into your Snapchat and fix your problem. If all this solution is not working, then we move to another solution, and that is restart your device. So just simply tap on settings, tap on general, scroll to the bottom, and here you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back and try to open your Snapchat and check that filter is working or not. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.